Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Shiv Shakti Study Mind. Today we are going to discuss about social science of class 10th. As we know, our board examinations are far than nearer. We are in November and board examination to be held on February. So we have very less time to prepare for the examination. All the examination related content for what we have to study, how much study we have to do in each and every subject to get better marks is given in our playlist before. You can watch it from the video and the description box. The link is provided. Today we are going to discuss about social science, very important question which gives you 7 marks when it comes in long answer type question, and it gives 2 to 4 marks when it comes into short answer type questions. It is a very important question of chapter 1. The question is related to First World War's effect on the economic of world and Indian economy. Let's begin with what were the reasons of Great Depression that occurred after the First World War? What was its effect on Indian economy? If we talk about First World War, it was held during the year of 1914 to 1918. During that year, the world faces the most disaster of modern history. Near about 20 lakhs people were killed and more than 25 lakh people were injured. Because of that, there was a major downfall in the world. All the countries started panicking about their citizens, and they started to protect themselves. By that, they started purchasing more weapons for their safety. This increases the weapon industry like a boom. For buying these weapons, they acquired large amount of debt from other countries which are not participating in the war directly. And after the war is over, they were in large debt. For example, Germany was the shinier economy before World War. In World War, they purchased much more than weapons than any other country, and they became poorer in economy. And after the World War, USA, United States of America, rises as the new economical boss of the world in that era. This World War causes all type of effects on the world. Either it is social effect, economical effect, or you can say any type of effect. Today we are going to discuss about the reasons why this World War happened and what were the causes of the major downfall which world sees after the World War has ended. The Great Depression, referred to as the greatest and also the longest economical downturn or recession of modern history. It is said that it started after the stock market crash in October 24, 1929 in United States of America and ripped all over the world. First, it started in United States of America in October 24, 1929. After that, it ripped all over the world. Some reasons and economical effect, some reasons of Great Depression and its effect on Indian economy. We are discussing it in a short type question. All the other things which are we are discussing from the starting and what we will discuss till the end of the video, you can write all the question, all the things in your own words to describe this question in when it comes in a long answer type. When it comes to short answer type, you can write the answer between 80 to 120 words, and when it comes to the long answer type, you have to write this between 180 to 250 words. Okay, now let's discuss some reasons and its economical effect on Indian economy. Tight monetary policies of Central Bank of America. After the World War, Central Bank of America emphasized tight monetary policies over the accounts of its bank holders. They started monitoring and questioning where the money came from, what was his business, what was the account holder's business, and what purpose he is drawing the money or crediting the money. So all the persons started panicking by in crediting their money into their accounts. This causes large dilemma in the United States. After that, stock market crash and failure of banks. Because of this large amount of banks said that they are bankrupt. There was written near about 5,000 banks in USA said they are gone bankrupt, and they did not have money to repay the customers. Because of that, the stock market crashes. It causes the Great Depression among the United States of America. Because of the stock market crash and failure of banks, by saying that they are gone bankrupt, the purchase is reduced because saving were diminished. The reason of diminishing saving was that all the countries during the war set their economy as a war country, and after the war ended, they have got no funds. So all the persons of the country got nothing with them. Because of this, the Great Depression occurred in all over the world slowly. It also impact India badly. Indians import and export fell by almost 50% because most of the countries were afraid of doing business with other countries. If they have no money, how will they pay us? And what time it will take to come the goods to our country? Because other countries may not allow them to go through their country's way. So these were the many reasons behind reduction in the imports and export. International prices plunged because there was no any type of import and export, no type of business. The business was almost cut to zero in all over the world. Because of that, internal prices were plunged, and so did prices in India. Indian farmers and peasants were hit harder than urban dwellers because Indian economy is a agriculture based economy. India exports their agricultural goods to the other countries, but the colonial government of that time, there was British rule, they refused to reduce revenue demands even though agricultural prices fell sharply. Agriculture Department of India was the most affected region during the Great Depression, which occurs after the First World War. After 1926, it started to overcome the depression slowly. These were the reasons of Great Depression and its effect on Indian economy. As we have discussed, you can write all these things point by point and make it a long answer type question also. Hope I am clear with my views. You have understood the question and its answer very cleanly and effortlessly. If you have any doubt, you can raise it in our comment box. We will solve it for you. That's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you are liking our video and our teaching method, you are getting it very cleanly, purely, and without any further effect, you can subscribe our channel. Please do subscribe our channel, like it, and comment your suggestions in our comment box and share with your friends who are in need. Till then, हमारा प्रयास आपकी सफलता. धन्यवाद.